Welcome back to the channel. We're going to do something a little different today. Have you ever taken your bike out of the shed, getting ready for that summer season to get started on the bike, and you go to sit on it and it's... Or your buddies are looking at you at the track when you're getting ready to ride and your bike is... I mean, what is that sound? We're going to diagnose, we're going to take it apart and figure it out and show you exactly how to fix it. Stay tuned. Now that we got the shock out, we can eliminate some of the different points of where it could be making the noise. Moving the swing arm up and down has shown that it does not make a noise. But upon inspection, we can also see this bushing and bearing almost feels seized. This is likely where our noise is coming from. Let's take a closer look.
Only used for a Robertson screwdriver in this industry.
Here is our problem. It is very loose and it doesn't rotate.
Now that the bushings are removed, you can see how seized and rusted both the seals and the bushings are. Now that we have a new bushing installed and the seals are in place, we can reassemble.
Now that we have the bushing and the swing arm back in place and everything's reassembled, let's see how it works. Oh yeah, that's nice.